Hey guys, I'm Mick. Welcome back to my channel MYKK2083. Today 26th October. Today it's pouring all over, like raining from the morning, cats and dogs, but still had to came out to buy my return ticket to Dhaka city. Now I'm in the Green Line bus counter in Cox'S Bazar city. Just got my tickets purchased in the same sleeper class bus, and it's on like on the 28th of October, 11:15 p.m. So yeah, this is the thing I had to do today. Otherwise it is so busy and rushed. It's so hard to get ticket. Otherwise I had to stay for another night or something. So, and today it's like a rainy day, and I think there will not be any activity I'll be able to do today. Like, you guys can see what kind of rain is happening now. Now I'm in the middle of Cox'S Bazar city. And it's raining like cats and dogs. কালকেও তো মনে হয় বৃষ্টি। If the rain stops later today, I'll try to go to the Himchori Waterfall, but I don't know if that's gonna happen because it's really raining, and I don't know what's gonna happen. It's already 1 a.m. now, 1 p.m. now, so let's see what can we do today, or have to waste the day staying inside the hotel. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, just came to this hotel, Hotel The Cox today, because they have this bank ATM in here that I need to use. So let's go and withdraw some money. I need cash. I went out of cash. Hey guys, this ATM is out of order. Super duper bad luck. I don't know how I'm gonna get any cash. So now going to another ATM. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, couldn't find any ATM, and also not gonna take any risk. So now gonna cash out from Bikash. So now going to Bikash shop. Hey guys, getting Bikash cash out. Guys, finally got some cash. Now let's go and see what can we do today, but it's really raining, so I think I won't be able to go to that Himchori Waterfall today, but I'll try my best to go today, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, finally the rain has stopped, so now we are going to Himchori Waterfall. So let's go. Hey guys, we have arrived in the Himchori location. Now we have to enter that way, or maybe this way. So let's go. Hey guys, this is the exit and this is the entry, and then there is we have to buy ticket to go to this waterfall. Hey guys, this is the ticket to the Himchori Waterfall. So let's go. Kundi, ready?
Eh bhai, किसी की करना लगे।
Hey guys, I just slipped in this mud. It's super slippery mud and slippery because it's been raining since morning, and now they are putting these bricks so that people can step on the bricks so they don't slip and fall. I just slipped and my mobile phone, my GoPro Max, everything fell on the mud. Hey guys, now we are almost close to the waterfall, so let's go and see the famous waterfall. It's not that far from the highway. I thought that it's gonna be like 5-10 minutes walk, but it's only like 2 minutes walk from the entrance. So let's go. Hey guys, finally reached the end of the like this is the main waterfall section. So this is the famous Himchori waterfall, and I'm standing right beside it, and let's see some full view of the waterfall. Hey guys, let's go and fly the drone. hope you guys like the drone footages, but unfortunately when I was landing my drone I crashed it, so probably hopefully it didn't damage the drone. It was only like 2-3 feet of crash. So yeah, so everything is done, picture, videos in here. So now we are going back to the highway and let's see where else we can go, or otherwise we'll go to the main beach and watch the sunset. So let's go. পাশাপাশি মহিলাদের জন্য নামাজের ব্যবস্থা বাড়ি যাওয়ার সময় মসজিদের অসমস্ত কাজ দেখে দেখে হাজার হাজার মুসল্লি বাইরে নামাজের ব্যবস্থার জন্য দোয়া ও দানের শরীক হয়ে যায় ভাই। আল্লাহ পাক সফলতা করে দিবেন, বালা মসজিদের দূর করে দিবেন, সরকারি মসজিদ পরিচালনা করে দিবেন, মসজিদে আল্লাহ আমাদের সরকারি জারিয়া কিয়ামত পর্যন্ত এই দানের সওয়াব আপনাদের আমার নামায় দিতে পারবে। এদিকে দেখি এদিকে দেখে খুব ভালো আছে। Guys, we have exited the waterfall complex now. Now going to a new beach. It's just opposite of the waterfall. Like one side of the highway is the waterfall and the other side of the highway is the I don't know the name of the beach. I'll ask. So let's go to the beach and we'll watch sunset here probably. So let's go. This side is the waterfall this way, and the other side of the street here is the beach. এই বিচের নাম কি? হিমছড়ি। এটা কি হিমছড়ি? Oh, this beach is called Himchori beach. হ্যাঁ এনে তো এখানে স্লিপ হবে না, কারণ এটা তো স্যান্ড, বালু না, বালুতে স্লিপ হবে। ওটা তো কাদা মাটি ছিল এখানে। These are the sandbags that they put to stop the to break the waves, which eventually breaks the road. So these are like high tide breakers or something. Sandbag. Even the sandbags are losing sand from the inside, so they need to put some more sandbags. I probably cannot fly the drone anymore because it crashed and it got like mud into the propellers. So really bad luck that I crashed the drone. Guys, I discovered some quicksand. Like, see, I'm like getting submerged into the sand, not much water. Quicksand. See? Holy shit. Such quicksand. Hey guys, this এটা কি বাসা ছিল না? এটা কি ছিল, বাসা না হোটেল? এটা জেলা পরিষদের আপনার হোটেল ছিল। ও জেলা পরিষদের হোটেল রেস্টুরেন্ট মানে আছে। এটা আমরা সাগরের পানি ভেঙে এসেছে। Hey guys, this was a government guest house or something, and this got broke. This fall into the ocean because the ocean water break the banks, so it's totally destroyed now. Super duper tragedy. This was also a breaking news in our national news channels. This happened few months ago. Super duper tragedy. So guys, waterfall done, then Himchori Sea Beach done, pictures and videos, everything done. So now going back to the Seagull beach, the beach in front of my hotel, and then after that we'll probably have dinner or something. So let's go. Hey guys, just discovered this restaurant on the side of the highway, Cox'S Bazar Marine Drive highway, and now going to have dinner. So let's go. Looks like an awesome, good place. So let's go and see what have they got. Hey guys, there's this place, like a banner to take pictures in this restaurant. It's an awesome restaurant, like a oh, and we have ordered a mixed platter of seafood and lemon juice, orange juice, and orange juice. So this is the platter, probably calamari, French fries, squid, crab, and shrimp and sauce. Hey guys, had a awesome like a tapas kind of dish, like not full dinner but like awesome super yummy seafood platter tapas. Now waiting for our oranges. Guys, our orange cooler have arrived. It's probably kind of like a mocktail. Looks super tasty. Hey guys, the first sip. So refreshing and so yummy. Oh guys, see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, this is the bill. All this food and drink only 1800 taka. So cheap and so yummy and really good service. I recommend everyone to come here and have food. Super yummy food. Hey guys, after the restaurant and all those seafood videos and pictures, my iPhone storage got filled, went full, and so I couldn't take any picture and videos with my iPhone. So after that I used my GoPro Max to make videos and take picture, because after the restaurant we came to my hotel, Seagull Hotel, where I'm staying, and then we went to the Mohua Seagull Hotel bar, and then we had some drinks and some salads, cashew nut salad and mixed salads, and had some drink, and then I came back to my room and I passed out for a few hours, and then now I woke up and now concluding the video. So hope you guys like the video, and please like and share my video, and please subscribe my channel as well, and after subscribing press the bell icon to get notification of the next new video. So yeah, it was a fun day. So I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow, so see you guys in the next one.